In this video, you are going to see how to make zip file in computer step by step. If we want to send multiple files via mail or via internet, we need to zip the file to reduce the size and to compress the file and to send them perfectly. Here in the desktop, I have 4 files. We are going to zip it. So let's get started. To zip the file, we can create a folder and we can move them into that, or we can make it from here. Let me select these 4 files, click on right button, click on the mouse cursor over send to and click on compressed zipped folder. Then here you will see there is another new zipped folder has been created. You can change the name right here, my file, and here is the zip file. I can easily send it. If anyone open it, they will find these 4 items. If I delete these 4 items, that will not be a problem. And this is the perfect way. So hope you found this video helpful. If you like this video, please share this video with your friends and family. And don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.